I'm getting ready to go to work and I'm filling a piece of luggage with documents, computers, and I start to drag it on the street, walking to work, and I start to run because I'm late, and I fall face down onto the ground, and I'll be even later. I won't be able to make it to work. My knee's bleeding through my clothes that are ripped at the knee. And I see it's a sorry mess. And I'm really hungry now and thirsty, so I stop at a coffee shop and I order a big latte. Warm liquid will do me good, I feel. And I smell the brewing coffee, trying to think if I can identify the roast by the smell, where it's from Ecuador, from Bolivia. I have no idea. And I'm waiting for an ambulance, but it's a fire truck that's coming. But why? It's because yesterday we were discussing my uncle who had been a fireman. That's why it's showing up in the story. The fire truck is very shiny, and a few firemen come out and ask what's the problem, and they think I've been wasting their time. There's nothing serious here. And I tell them, well, the coffee shop's on fire. And they don't believe me, but I was right. And soon an alarm starts. And people are worried. The coffee shop was pretty full and people are trying to rush for the exit. But the firemen won't let them.